गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। आज हम एमएससी फाइनल का डाइटरपेनॉइड अबार्टिक एसिड के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। अबार्टिक एसिड इज डाइटरपेन chief constituent of rosin or the colophony. Constitutions: molecular formula C20H30O on the basis of its analytical data and molecular weight determination. C20H30O2, it forms the monocarboxylic acid. It indicates the presence of COH group. It is difficult to easily to esterify abatic acid, thus indicate the COH group to be attached to the tertiary carbon atom. Next, it involves carbon monoxide. It evolves carbon monoxide when warmed with the concentrated sulfuric acid, thus supporting the presence of COH group at the tertiary carbon atom. Next, the presence of two double bond C20H30O2 on reduction with the nickel, it forms the tetrahydroabatic acid. Next, nature of the carbon framework. Tetrahydroabatic acid C19H33COOH corresponding to a parent hydrocarbon C19H34, considering COH group as a substituent. The empirical form and the general formula CnS2n-4, that is 4 hydrogen atom less, which account for tricyclic structure. Next, abatic acid or dehydration with the sulfur, selenium or the activated charcoal, it forms the ratine. Ratine is a tricyclic hydrocarbon which was proved to be the 1-methylphenane and confirmed by its synthesis by the Howard and its co-worker. So the synthesis of the ratine is synthesized in a number of ways of reaction, and we obtain the ratine. The structure of the abatic acid may be 3 rings A, B, C, A ring having the methyl group and the C ring having the isopropyl group. In addition to that, 2 carbon lost during the formation of the ratine, that is the C18H18. Next, Ruzicka and its co-worker for the position of COH group at position number 4 in the abatic acid. Abatic acid, it gives the homoratine. Abatic acid react with the CS3OH methyl alcohol and HCl, it gives the methyl abatate. Then it reduces with the sodium and ethyl alcohol, it gives the abatinol. Then react with the PCl5, it forms the methyl abatine. Then distillation, it gives the C19S20, that is the homoratine. Now this homoratine, that is a phenanthrene 1,7 dicarboxylic acid, it can be obtained when react with the homoratine, that is C19S20, with the oxidizing agent potassium ferrocyanate K3FeCN6. We obtain the phenanthrene 1,7 dicarboxylic acid, and from ratine C18H18, it again the oxidation with the potassium ferrocyanide, it again gives the phenanthrene 1,7 dicarboxylic acid. Now the nature of the two double bond. Abatic acid contain two double bond as indicated above and assumed to be the conjugated because abatic acid form the adduct with the malic anhydride above 100 degrees centigrade. UV studies confirmed that the lambda maxima 238 nanometer, ring B and C each having the double bond. Now the structure of the abatic acid are as shown first. Now the stereochemistry is confirmed by Stork and its co-worker. Next, synthesis of abatic acid. Synthesis confirmed the stereochemistry of the abatic acid. That is dihydroabatic acid, 13 is number of the structure. Now, starting from the beta tetralone, react with the methyl alcohol via the pyrrolidine enamine. Then react with the ethyl vinyl ketone, then ethyl bromoacetate, and then ethane dithiol and hydrolysis, and then esterification, sulfurations, then hydrolysis, then the hydrogenation with the PDC in the acetic acid, then Barbier Wendland degradation, and after that we react this compound with the padillium and charcoal at 250 degree to 275 degree centigrade, and we obtain the abatic acid. That's all about the abatic acid. Thank you.